Good girl. You're so fast. Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. Sunday morning, and I'm going on an adventure today. I just wanted to explain something, guys. Any adventure we go on, any vlog we make, any party we throw, it starts with this room right here. So come check this out. A copious amount of transportation, camping and survival gear, weapons wall, and of course partying and houseboat. I gotta continue to get ready. I gotta finish my coffee because I'm going on an adventure. It has been an incredible drive so far with this giant space rat. These are the roads I've been waiting for. Sunset, snow everywhere, Matt's awake. Good girl. You're so fast.
Oh man, so we just hit a roadblock. Nature's roadblock. Dog's trying to help, but not really.
Matt's getting a fire going as we speak. And I'm just gonna continue to not help. Hey guys, how we doing? So I'm in the post-production part of my first vlog. Pele went first, which was amazing and it's inspiring, so let's just keep the ball rolling. I get really fucking stoned while I'm editing all my stuff. But I'm a big weed addict. The weeded copy, that's where half of the creativity comes from. And if that doesn't work, I got a big fucking knife right here. So you're gonna fucking watch the show, mate. It was my first expedition with the drone, so I'm super excited. I took the exact classic, like, white girl version of drone filming, which is just some sick trees. And the last thing I need to apologize from the bottom of my fucking heart. The last thing that I need to apologize from the bottom of my heart for is the fucking autofocus. You could hear it on the Nikon in almost every scene. So try not to let that deter you. By this video itself is gonna look like shit, but then like, boom, next week I'll be Casey Neistat. You should follow us on Instagram.